by CD Swap Shop of Jefferson City.
Yeah!
Look in your game program on page 32 for the ad for today's contest. If you know the television show which the following theme song is from, fill out the contest sheet.
Legal procedure called against the primary.
Last thoughts on the primary colors.
Say it.
Don't ignore us. You can't do it. We're too obnoxious.
Too fundamental. Fundamental color.
Carlos Gatlin is sacked by number 53, Michael Wall.
Do you two have anything special you'd like to say on this day?
Yeah.
Loss of 15 on the play.
Don't shoot llamas in New Jersey.
Second down 25, Mars Hill from their own 42.
Streak!
What do you guys think about the primary colors?
Is he scared?
I thought there was blue in there somewhere.
Yeah, blue's supposed to be here.
Is he
Oh,
scared?
Yeller! I know.
Give me 5. Give me 5.
All right, I see Yeller streak through the field now.
Nice shirt, man. Nice shirt, yeah!
Football forever, guys. I got you, son. Can I get a peanut?
Give me another. Hey, wait a
Oh,
minute.
you will.
Let me get a picture right here. I'm not going to
Can I
get a
get a
test.
Thank you.
Hey, can I give you a test?
You know, Michael.
Won't get a picture.
Yeah.
I'll test you.
That's our buddy. Oh, sweet. Yeah, we know Mike. He used to be a little bitch. We know he used to be a bitch. He's very bitch.
He grew up. He couldn't come.
Blue left out,
Our
man.
third primary. Undependable. Get a
Primary
picture.
color. You guys have to be in the picture with us.
Yellow.
Broken up by number 7.
We got to have people in the picture with us.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
just stand back. I want you
It-
alone.
It's propaganda.
No, no, you got to get your buddies with us.
They're
Chris,
trying to convince
Chris,
you.
come video this.
Formation for Mars Hill.
Here, Don, what we got? We got 0 here. No
Number
more
7
film.
plays ground.
No more film.
We
got no-
No more film.
We got no more film.
Oh, you got to get primaries. Here you go. Here you go.
Are you? I thought it was blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, green.
Here you go.
Those action shots. Hey, look, take pictures.
Oh,
Take pictures.
it's a picture of me. It's a picture of me. It's all yellow.
You can't tell the difference.
Penalty flag on the play.
Let's go.
Show you the
Let's go.
thing,
You got film?
Yeah.
We love you.
We love you guys.
Interference called against Mars Hill.
Oh yeah, I can't stand that caffeine. First time I've ever seen a pregnant waitress. Well, everything all right?
Oh yeah, so what did you decide to have?
Bacon and no, sausage and eggs. Sausage and eggs. Bacon, all right, but I like to have sausage once in a while.
Is Blessy just ignorant?
Whole wheat toast. That was it. And you're having waffle and
Waffle and
Wake up.
coffee and orange.
scrambled eggs.
Scrambled.